AirSpade is the premier air-powered soil excavation tool used worldwide by tree service companies and landscapers to maintain tree health. Manufactured by Guard Air Corporation, a leading U.S. manufacturer of industrial pneumatic tools, AirSpade was originally developed in the 1980s. Today, thousands of AirSpades are in use worldwide by arborists and tree care professionals. Soil is a mixture of solid particles with voids occupied by air and/or water. When compressed air is directed into soil at close range, air enters the voids, expands, and fractures the soil. Stronger, non-porous materials such as metal or plastic pipes, cables, or even tree roots are unaffected. AirSpade's patented supersonic nozzle turns compressed air into a high-speed, laser-like jet, moving at twice the speed of sound. All of the energy and momentum of air moving at 1,200 miles per hour is focused onto the soil, dislodging it in a fraction of a second. Improperly designed nozzles or homemade open pipes do a substandard job of soil excavation, as the air exiting these devices dissipates in an unfocused, ineffective manner. Incorporating state-of-the-art safety and design features, AirSpade is easy and comfortable to use. Beside the supersonic nozzle, these include a non-conductive fiberglass barrel, adjustable dirt shield, ergonomic handle, and dead man trigger with steel trigger guard. In competitive tests, AirSpade outperforms other air excavation tools. Faster digging with AirSpade means less worker fatigue, faster completion of projects, and lower energy costs. AirSpade is used in a number of tree care applications, including root collar excavation, vertical mulching, radial trenching, soil aeration, root pruning, bare rooting and transplanting. Root collar excavation. Many trees are planted too deep or are partially buried due to multiple layers of mulch. When the root collar or root flare is not visible, chronic problems can occur. Problems include girdling roots, pest infestation, or poor growth, all of which can cause decline and eventually death of a tree. Root collar excavation or root flare excavation is the process of safely removing soil and/or mulch around the trunk of a tree with the AirSpade. Girdling roots can then be identified and removed. Vertical mulching. Urban and suburban trees exist in an unnatural environment in which mulch or open soil is often restricted to a narrow diameter around the trunk. This is in contrast to the natural environment of a forest where leaves fall and decompose into rich topsoil underneath the entire canopy. Instead, thick grass under the canopy competes with the tree for moisture and nutrients, causing decline. Vertical mulching is the process of using the AirSpade to poke holes in the soil within the root zone, generally out to the canopy drip line. The AirSpade is simply pushed into the ground to a depth of approximately 18 inches, creating a 3 to 4 inch diameter hole. These vertical columns allow for air, moisture, and nutrients to reach the tree roots. Columns can then be filled with nutrients or fertilizer, thus encouraging the generation of feeder roots in this enhanced soil. Radial trenching. Radial trenching is used to both aerate the soil and provide a means to add nutrients. AirSpade is used to excavate spokes, or radii, out from the base of a tree. This process leaves most of the soil unaffected while allowing for additional soil amendments. Radial trenching is commonly used to protect existing, highly valued trees in proximity to building construction, utility installation, or sidewalk or driveway construction. Soil aeration. Soil surrounding a tree can become compacted over time due to foot traffic, construction projects, or general settling. Compacted soil can starve a tree due to inadequate air and/or water required for respiration. Soil aeration creates voids, which fill with air and water, thus nourishing the tree. This process also creates drain passages for excess runoff, thereby minimizing saturation and root decay. AirSpade quickly and safely aerates compacted soil from around the base of a tree without damaging the existing root structure. Root pruning. Installation of a sidewalk, driveway, or patio often involves excavation near tree roots. AirSpade is used to first uncover roots so that an arborist can determine which ones can be safely removed while protecting the health and stability of the tree. Bare rooting and transplanting. Trees may need to be transplanted due to building or road construction or for aesthetic reasons. AirSpade is used to remove soil and rocks from the roots or root ball to reduce tree weight. Cranes and forklifts are often used to move larger trees. Every AirSpade incorporates the following standard components engineered to make air excavation easier, safer, and less time-consuming. Supersonic Nozzles. While most arborists use a standard 185 CFM tow-behind air compressor, some tree service companies have air compressors with different capacity. AirSpade offers 5 interchangeable threaded supersonic nozzles, sized to match virtually all commercially available air compressors. Sliding dirt guard. AirSpade features an adjustable sliding dirt guard that acts as a shield, which helps protect the operator from flying soil or debris. The shield slides into the desired position on the barrel and can be locked in place. Non-Conductive Barrel. The standard AirSpade barrel is constructed from heavy-duty, non-conductive fiberglass and provides a degree of protection if an excavation encounters an underground electric line. Rugged aluminum threaded connectors provide screw-on, screw-off capability. Ergonomic Handle. The AirSpade handle incorporates a thermally insulated, ergonomic comfort grip, protected by a steel trigger guard. The deadman trigger prevents accidental activation. The handle comes equipped with a heavy-duty, Chicago-style connector and built-in pressure gauge to monitor and ensure optimal performance. In addition to these standard features, AirSpade offers the following popular accessories. 45-degree angled adapter. When installed between the nozzle and the barrel, the versatile 45-degree adapter directs airflow around or underneath obstructions. The adapter can be locked into any desired position, up, down, or to the side, by simply adjusting and then tightening the sleeve. Extensions. Heavy-duty fiberglass extensions provide extended reach capability for deep excavations. 2 to 5 foot lengths are available. Lightweight air hose. Standard commercially available air hose is typically heavy and inflexible. This rugged, ultra-lightweight air hose comes in 10, 25, and 50 foot lengths. With superior performance, user-friendly features, and unequaled customer support, AirSpade is the industry standard and tool of choice for thousands of professionals.